Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that adds beauty and creativity to clothes, cushions, bags, table covers and many other things. It is relaxing, fun and perfect for people who love handmade crafts. Embroidery has been popular for many years in different cultures around the world. Even today, people enjoy making embroidery designs because they look elegant and special. In this video, I will share some simple and beautiful hand embroidery ideas that are easy to understand and perfect for beginners and experts. Let's start with the floral embroidery design. Flower patterns are one of the most popular embroidery style. Roses, sunflowers, daisies and small colorful flowers look beautiful on dresses, scarves, pillow covers and wall art. Floral embroidery adds a soft and fresh touch to any fabric. You can use bright colors for a bold look or soft colors for a delicate style. Next we have leaf and vine embroidery design. These patterns are simple but very elegant. Green leaves and curved vines create a natural and peaceful look. Many people combine flowers and leaves together to make stunning embroidery artwork. This design looks beautiful on tablecloths, handbags and kurtis. Another lovely idea is traditional embroidery designs. Different countries have unique embroidery styles with special shapes and colors. Traditional embroidery often include detailed patterns, mirrorwork and colorful thread combinations. These designs look rich and stylish and are perfect for festive dresses and cultural outfits. Now let's talk about simple embroidery stitches. Basic stitches are the foundation of hand embroidery. Turning stitch, chain stitch, satin stitch and lazy daisy stitch are easy to learn and very useful. Beginners can start with these stitches to create beautiful designs. With practice, simple stitches can create amazing embroidery art. Animal and bird embroidery designs are also becoming very trendy. Cute birds, butterflies, peacocks, cats and sparrows look creative and fun. These designs are perfect for children clothes, tote bags and decorative pieces. Bright thread color make these embroidery designs simple and attractive. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.